David Beckham and daughter Harper celebrated their Italian getaway together with an early morning treat. On Monday, the retired soccer star, 47, shared a video to Instagram of himself and Harper, 10, as they strolled the streets of Venice, Italy with a special surprise in their hands, 2 cones of gelato. "So we came to chic Venice, didn't we, Harper?" Beckham asked his daughter in the clip, Harper nodding her head enthusiastically. "And what time is it for ice cream in the morning?" "9. She responded, taking a lick of her cone with a big smile on her face. "9 a.m., Beckham continued. "Wow. Shh, don't tell mommy 9 a.m. gelato, ice cream," he wrote in the video's caption on Instagram. "Sorry mommy" at Victoria Beckham, heart, creating special memories with #Harper7, woman's hat. In addition to her sweet treat, Harper also modeled a new hat she got, an adorable dog-themed straw bowler cap complete with flappable ears. The father-daughter pair have been soaking up the sun together on their summer holiday, ahead of Harper's 11th birthday in July. On Saturday, Beckham was photographed holding his daughter's hand as they went to an event at the Venice Theatre in Venice. For the outing, Harper wore a pink and purple dress accessorized with jewelry, while Beckham was decked out in a double-breasted dark suit complete with sunglasses, a watch, and a dark tie. Harper is the youngest of the 4 Beckham children David has with wife Victoria. The couple also share sons Brooklyn, 23, Romeo, 19, and Cruz, 17. On social media, parents of 4 frequently post fun videos showing their relationship with their children. In September 2021, Victoria uploaded a video of David playfully begging Harper not to leave him as their daughter gets ready for the first day of school. Back in April, David spent some quality time with Harper at a Miami Heat game, posting an adorable video of Harper cheering on Jimmy Butler. "What can I say?" Harper7 is a fan of Jimmy Butler and the Miami Heat, basketball, fire, basketball, he captioned the clip.